Good day, everyone. My name is Charis Joy Tayoto Batayola, and today I would like to talk about how do you know if you're in love or you're infatuated. I would like to topic this because I think that everyone should know their true feelings about someone. And a lot of teenagers has been heartbroken because they don't know what a real love is. And I also think that this topic is relatable to everyone. So my question is, are you sure that you're in love or you're just infatuated? But first is, what is the meaning of infatuated or infatuation? According to Lauren Fogel Mercy, PSYD, infatuation is a strong feeling of attraction, fascination, and fixation towards someone, often without actually knowing them that well. Someone who is infatuated is constantly thinking about that person, and they feel like they found the one, even though they've just met them. And that is said by Grace Sa, a licensed mental health counselor. When you're infatuated with a person, you always wanted to see them. You think that you've already loved them even if you've never had a chance to talk to them. You think that they're the one for you. You're overjoyed by the idea of having this person or by being chosen by them. And you ignore this person's red flag. Hey. Those are the examples of being infatuated. Now, what is love? For me, love is sacrifice. Because when you love someone, you're gonna have to sacrifice something. Hey. And this something could be anything. It could be your relationship with your parents, relationship with your best friends, or it could be your goals in your life. It could be anything that you have. But you can tell me that you love your partner because of their looks. Because it's not called love, it's called obsession. You can't tell me that you love your person because of their money, because it's not called love, it's called interest. And you can't tell me that you love your partner because of their body. Of course, that's not love. It's called lust. And you can't also tell me that you love your partner because of their kindness or because they have good manners, because it's not love. It's called admiration. And you can't also tell me that you love your partner because they love you, because it's not love. It's called empathy. But if you are confused why you love your partner or why you love that person, or if you don't know what exactly the reason is why you love him, her, it's definitely love. Why? How can I say so? I've never been in a relationship before. Because for me, I believe in my own saying, in my own code, that love is something that you can see, but you can feel. It's like wind. It's like scent in the air. You can't see it, but it's there. You can feel it by a touch, by a kiss, or by a hug, but you can never see it in your naked eye. And if you see your love in your partner or in that person, it's definitely not the long-lasting love that everybody deserves. Before I end my speech, is there anyone who have questions or comments? None? Thank you very much. I am very honored to speak here in front of everyone. Thank you.